This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Fusion battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a battery puller. Safety is paramount, so put on your safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your Ford Fusion is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set before you begin any work. Now, let's locate the battery, which is usually found under the hood of your Ford Fusion. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the negative battery cable first. Always disconnect the negative terminal before the positive to prevent electrical shorts. Once the negative is free, proceed to disconnect the positive cable and remove any battery hold-down clamps. With both terminals disconnected and the hold-down removed, you can now carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Batteries can be heavy, often weighing around 30 to 40 pounds, so lift with care. Before installing the new battery, clean the battery tray and terminal connectors thoroughly. Then, gently lower the new battery into the tray, ensuring it sits flush. Once the new battery is in place, secure it with the hold-down clamp to prevent movement. Now, connect the positive battery cable first, tightening it firmly. Then, connect the negative cable, ensuring both connections are snug. Double-check all connections. Finally, start your Ford Fusion to confirm the new battery is working correctly and your vehicle powers on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.